welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, next we are going to be opening a Lego city. It's got like parts of the helicopter and parts of a quad bike and parts of a van and part of a motorbike. It's very cool.
Let's see, turn it around so you can show your viewers what they're seeing. So you've got a big helicopter, yeah?
Yeah.
And it comes with, what else is it? The bike, the quad bike, and
the van.
The van. Wow.
This is for people age 5 and over. It comes with 2 characters. The first one is Sam Grizzled.
And this is Sam Grizzled, isn't it?
Yeah. The next one is Snake Rattler.
Which is this one here. Which one's your favourite?
Snake Rattler.
You pull it. Go and use all your strength.
This is first.
Which
one's pack.
That one's just one pack, isn't it? And then you've got pack 2, pack 1. What other bits have you got in there? Pack 3.
That's pack 4 then.
Yeah, and then does it come with instructions? Comes with instructions in the box, yeah?
That's the instruction for the helicopter. This is pack 1 that comes with its own instruction manual.
So number 1, this number 1 manual is to build.
I can't do it.
Is to build. Which ones? What vehicles is it to build? This one.
A motorbike and a quad bike.
Which pack have you got now?
I got pack 2 and it comes with, and this is the instructions for the van, and it comes with all different pieces, and that's have
Pack 3 and 4, which comes with what? The instruction manual. Bless you. Comes with the instruction manual as well, and it comes with what?
It comes with
some stickers. That's it. So you've got the first bit. Do you want to hold it up and show them? That's it. That's what it looks like. And then you need to add the end part onto that, the base, don't you? Underneath. So it goes underneath like the top end here. That's it. And then always make sure it clicks in.
This is the start. This is the starts.
And then this yellow one goes on top, doesn't it?
What here?
Other way. So the same way as the grey one. This way.
I can do it.
That's it. That's it. And then hold it up and show everyone. That's what it's starting to look like. White bit. That's it. Then this white bit here. Put that down. This white bit then goes on there first.
I can do it.
And then that one goes
I can do it.
that way again.
This way.
Yep.
This way.
It faces the same way as this end one here. So make sure it's pointing the same way. That's it. On the white bit, on top of the white bit. That's it, and then click it in. Good job. Hold it up. Let's show everybody what it looks like. It clicked in. Then if you look at the instructions, which 2 pieces do you need, or which is the first next bit you need? So you're looking at this.
Not bit.
Can you find it? That's it. And then you need a sticker on that bit, don't you?
Where do we put it?
So
though?
that goes over top here. So make sure it sits level. Other way. Maybe flip it round.
This way.
Yep. Hold it with 2 hands. It might be a bit easier. And then we can stick a sticker on that one, yeah? That's it. Can you manage? Clicks in there. That's it. Good job. Yep. And where does that bit go?
Here.
No, look at the instructions. Good job. Well done. This is why you have the instructions, isn't it?
We are the bad guy.
Good job. How many wheels you got there?
4.
4.
Yeah.
You like building things, don't you?
Yeah, especially
We need 2 of them.
we need these
Yep, pick them up.
for each side, don't we?
That's correct.
Each side, don't we?
Yeah,
Each
one
side,
here, one
don't
that side. That's it. On here goes, it's the wheel arch, isn't it? So you need to hold this up now, but hold it here so
So
everyone
I
can
know.
still see.
this
That's
way.
it, push it on. Then what do we need next? That's it, and where does that go? Good job. Push it down, make sure it clicks in properly. Is that all on, yeah?
Yeah.
Well done. What do we need next? So we're on this page of the manual now. So we need one of these. And that's the one. Where do they go? So that's going to be the back, and this is going to be the front now.
There.
Needs to sit flush against the blue bit. That's it. Good job. And then the steering wheel goes in this front end here. Because
Here.
why do you need a steering wheel? Turn it around the other way though.
But so we can drive.
That's it, isn't it? So you can drive. Do your little driving motion. Do your little driving. Demonstrate driving. Theodore's driving. So now we've got the steering wheel. Next bit.
Alone.
Read the instructions, and what bit do we need next?
Look. What's it going here?
Yes, just behind. That's it. Hold it this one with your other hand now. That's it.
I love you, Mummy.
Oh, I love you too. Then we need these bits. Look, get into the good part. Need 2 of them bits. Do you need to hold it while you do it?
Yeah.
Good job. Next, which do we need now? This is the front, so if we turn it round, because you need the wheel arches again now for this side.
One.
Both.
Both.
You've got 2 wheels at the front, haven't you? No, back one.
Oh my god. I don't know how you're doing it.
That's it. You just have to ask for help, don't you? If you get a little bit stuck, don't you? That's it. Good. On them. So then that's, you're getting a part ready for a bit later on, aren't you? So then it's done. Peace.
Peace. Which way does it go?
Yep. And what's that part?
The number plate. What it's looking like now.
On the 4 wheels. Hold it with your other hand.
Sometimes it breaks up when it's like towers when I push it on.
Yeah.
When
Let me
Billy.
see.
When Billy.
Goes this bit.
Billy.
Hold the car for a minute for me.
Where's the person? Oh, there.
And then that bit goes
At the top.
on top. Yeah, that's it.
I'll need person.
Oh, you need the little person in first. You're going to put her in. This is the van, isn't it? Diamond Co van. That's it, then you can put the roof on.
She won't fall out, will she?
Wait a minute, she needs to clip in her bottom, isn't?
Thanks for watching my video. This is the bike, this is the quad bike, and this is the truck.
Did you enjoy making them?
Yeah, a lot.
Which one's your favourite?
This one's my favourite. I mean the motorbike. I mean quad bike.
All of them!
Yeah.
Here we are. Theodore's getting ready to build the helicopter part. So this is bag number 3, and these are the 3 little ones that he's already built. So you've got the bike, the little truck that has a magnet on the top, which this yellow thing will go on top. You'll see in a little while later on in the video. And then his little quad bike. So he's excited to start building. What are you doing now?
I'm putting my stickers on my helicopter.
Wow. And you've got the little man here, haven't you, at the minute? With little goggles, this is on his little helmet.
And this is.
And then where's the other part that you've been building? The other side, that's what it looks like. That's what the start of the helicopter looks like. Looking good, isn't it?
Yeah. It's looking like now.
Which is your favourite part of the helicopter so far?
That this grey bit.
The inside.
Yeah.
It's going to look brilliant once it's done,
Yeah,
isn't it?
Because it's like, it's looking pretty good, and it's like, whee.
Is it going to fly really high?
Yep. I have another helicopter downstairs.
You do.
It's kind of strange that I can't club it in.
Some of them can be a bit tricky, can't they? There you go. And you look at the instructions. This is number 3, the instruction booklet for the helicopter in this pack. Theodore is just... Sometimes children might need a little bit of help with the smaller pieces, just to make sure they clip in properly. But you've done majority of the building of it, haven't you, so far?
Yeah, guys, all I needed help with,
Bear with me,
is the blue bits and the yellow bits.
turn it around so they can see which bits you're talking about.
Nice bits right, all that bit.
So guys, this is what the helicopter is looking like at the minute. Theodore did just have the red bit down this bottom bit, but it actually does go in this top bit here. So we're going to put that in the right place now. And then he's going to carry on putting that bit alongside that red bit there. That's it. Right, so you've put all that together. Find the white bit.
I'm putting the back of the helicopter on.
That's it, so it goes. That's it, push it down. Good job. Show them what it's looking like. Hold it up and turn it around. Spiral it around so they can see what the whole thing looks like at the moment. So that's the back end of the helicopter at the moment, isn't it, Theodore?
Yeah.
On the side of the cabin part, you need it. At the front of the helicopter.
Here.
No, on this side here, make sure that corner, so the numbers are the right way up. That's it, and it goes along there. Good job. Good job. And then number 11 sticker goes on the other side of the front part. You need that. And then can you get the number, bring the stickers here. This one we need off as well, number 9.
You mean number 29?
No, it's number 9. There you go, it goes on the front here. The badge. Other way, turn it upside down, the other way.
This way.
Yeah. It's the correct way, in the middle.
That is in the middle. That is the middle.
There you go. Now put it on together. You hold that and then attach it to the front there. No, the right way.
This way.
Yeah. Make sure it clips in. It's looking more like a helicopter now, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's it. Put these hands up.
I'll put it on. I'll put it on. I'll put it on.
So
I'll put it
tell
on.
them that you've just put the person.
I just put the person on.
He's in the helicopter. And then the front part goes on. Good job. Look at it. It's coming along nicely, isn't it?
Oh.
And then this one. Make sure that that's clipped in both sides. It's got some wheels.
My favourite part and the wheels, because we are already doing it like this.
Wow, it can fly from the ground already, can't it?
Guys, are you ready?
Whoa! Super high. Same that side. No, make sure the lines are on the outer side. Turn it. Turn it. That's it. So you've got to have the lines on the propeller facing you. So put that on that side. Because that's the way I've handed you it. You see it? That's it. And then that one goes. Which end of this part? I hold on to it and then you can attach it. Once you've looked at the instructions, that's it. Have you got it facing the right way as well? Good job. Always make sure they're the right way round. Can't you push it on? Push.
I can't.
There you go. Whoa! Yay! Right. Next part. Next part. Where does that go?
That goes there.
It goes flush with that part, doesn't it? Can you get it off? Do you want me to help you? You need to put one of the lights on as well. I think that's the orange one. Okay. Where does the orange light go?
Everyone, this is now what my helicopter looks like. Isn't it cool? Does anybody want to be my subscriber? If you do, comment, like and subscribe. Goes like this. I'm driving on the road, there's no helicopters. Let's go and catch me up.
Up, up and away.
Up, up and away. Up into heaven.